Let's not do it. Hey girl! Good morning everybody. We got a punch list of stuff to do today. We got some grading to do, a little bit of pipe work, fix-its and stuff. We're in the KOBELCO SK55, where is it? There it is. And we got to touch up some yards, haul in dirt. Landscaper guys are here. They're going to start landscaping that. I've warned them about that shallow gas line. I got to get this machine all the way down the street, so I can start moving dirt. Made it to this little backyard over here, and yeah, Dan's helped me out the last few days, coming and final grading all that. That looks amazing. Thank you, Dan. What I'm going to do here is just start at up here by the foundation and the patio. Everything's obviously got to flow away from that. Rock in there or something. It's got to slope out. It's going to slope this way and probably about to the corner of the house, and then it's going to slope this way. Patio, where I was telling you, I'll give you a little snail's eye view here. I don't know if you can see. From the patio goes down, everything flows out this way. That goes that way, that goes that way, and the valley comes this way. Just a subtle valley. Everything flows out to the sidewalk, to the bottom of the sidewalk. That gives space for layer of topsoil and a layer of grass, and everything will meet up right at the top. Got some shovel work to do here, but we're getting it done. A little bit of shovel work along the foundation there. That's fine. We can handle that. Made my way to the front yard. I don't know if I'm really going to do all this 100% today, because all that. So the trash guy's got to come and pick all that up. And they don't like it when I throw it in the sidewalk, so they're gonna have to come clean it up. But it is lunchtime. Frank's around here somewhere. I gotta go find him, and we're gonna go eat. Like a lost little puppy dog.
No.
Let's go eat food. We're back from lunch, and I forgot to mention it earlier. We have hit 100 subscribers. Yes, our channel is growing, and that's all thanks to you guys. And I can't do nothing but thank you guys very much. It is so awesome, and I'll keep watching. I'll keep posting videos and on what I do during my day and my family. Now I'm going to 1,000. Get up to 1,000. So yeah, so I went ahead and let's see, I went ahead and cleaned up. I guess you can call it cleaned up all that trash. Yeah, it's not supposed to be in the sidewalk, but you know what? I got to get my job done. I can't wait on other people to do something. So I'm expected to get something done. I have to get done. What I get paid to do. I wonder if certain stuff happens, like when you hit like 1,000 subscribers, you're able to go live or whatever, and they're setting for 100. I guess I'd like YouTube it or Google it to find out. But yeah, I gotta get it to about the bottom of those form boards, and I'm leaving it a foot off the form boards so they can pull the forms later. It just makes it a lot easier. And plus, when the landscapers come in, they're basically almost already trenched. Gibson landscaping is what I'm talking about, obviously. Oh yeah, we got a storm pipe there, and I already broke it. Yes! So all it's going to take to fix this, because these are like repair couplers, they don't have that knobby in the middle that stops them. So you can just slide it over like that. The next, oh my bad, yeah. My bad. Frick. And then cut your length, throw some glue around it, and slide them on over. Perfect. Alright, now that that's all done, I gotta get this dig out all done, getting the 259 over there, get that at least knocked down. Alright guys, that's going to wrap this one up for today. We got that all done. It's just knocked down, almost a grade. Anyway, if you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Smash that like button, leave a comment for me. And again, thank you for the 100 subscribers. I'm going to keep doing my best, keep providing videos for you everybody. On that note, thank you again. We'll catch you on the next one.